Tomato home remedy removes deep wrinkles and fine lines. It's a million times stronger than Botox. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Shida Going Natural. Today we are back with another home natural remedy. That's the tomato and carrot. So we can blend a carrot. If you have a blender, you can blend a carrot. If you don't have a blender, you can use a grater. So in most cases, in most of my videos, I use a grater because it's cheap. It's not like the blender is expensive, but it's cheap and it's not time wasting. Yeah, so we can save even on the cost of the blender. So we grate our carrot. Carrot helps to brighten the skin. It has antioxidant properties. It lightens the skin. It smoothens the skin. It hydrates the skin in that it has the potassium in it. Carrots also helps in uneven skin, it brightens the skin complexion of the carrot. Yeah, so carrot helps in reducing the dark spots of the skin, clearing your skin, making your skin look so smooth. So after grating our carrot, we are done with grating our carrot. We can put it in another small plate or in another place where we can place it there. Afterwards, you pour some water to soak it. Yeah, you can soak it like for 30 minutes to the juicing to come out. So after soaking it, you mix it very well to make sure it's very soaked very well. Yeah, so you can put it aside. Meanwhile, waiting for those 30 minutes to elapse, and we go on to another remedy. That's the tomato. Tomato is very good for our skin in that it reduces the oiliness of the skin. In case your skin is very oily, you can be applying a tomato like almost every night whenever you go to sleep, or in the morning whenever you go to sleep. Yeah, it reduces the oiliness of the skin. It's very good for people with dark spots. It clears those dark spots. Yeah. It also helps to brighten the skin. Yeah, it lightens also the skin. So it's a very good combination for the skin. So we are finished grating our tomato. Let us go back to our carrot that we grated and soaked like for 30 minutes. Yeah, so we can sieve it. We can remove the juicing. Yeah, we can remove it. Yeah, so after grating our natural remedies, we can now combine them together. We can combine them together and we apply it on the skin. So as you see there, we have finished grating our tomato. We have added our carrot juice. After adding carrot juice, we are making sure we stir it and it dissolves into each other. Yeah, as you see there. So we can go ahead and apply it on our skin. Before you apply it on your skin, make sure you wash your skin. You wash off the makeup, you wash off the dust, the dirty or the dust on it. You make sure you clean your face very well before applying that natural remedy, because we don't want our dirty skin or our dirty faces to absorb with our natural remedy. So that's why we have to wash off the skin. So as you see there, we are applying our remedy there. When you apply that remedy, it removes those deep wrinkles. When you keep on applying that remedy, it removes the deep wrinkles, removes the fine lines. It's anti-aging. It removes dark spots. It brightens your skin. Whenever you keep on applying this remedy, it keeps on brightening your skin. Keeps on lightening your skin. It glows your skin. So natural remedies are very good for our skin, but remember, consistency is key. With natural remedies, you have to be constant, 24/7, constant. So this natural remedy, you can apply it to 3 to 4 times a week because it doesn't have any harm. So you can apply it for 3 to 4 times a week. So as you see, I've applied my remedy and you see how I'm looking, I'm glowing, I'm looking good, yeah. So you wash it off and come back and we apply our favorite moisturizer. So with that natural remedy, you make sure you don't leave your face dry. You know, when you leave your face dry, that's why it like attracts wrinkles. So whenever you wash off your face, make sure you moisturize your face with your favorite moisturizer. So you have to keep on massaging your face whenever you apply the remedy, and after washing off the remedy, or whenever you go to the bathroom, take a quick shower and come back, or after washing your face and you're applying a moisturizer on your face, make sure massage your skin. You know, when you massage your skin, the blood in the skin like circulates, and when it circulates, it makes the wrinkles disappear. You look more younger, it's anti-aging, and make you look very nice and very healthy. You look younger than your age. As you see there, what I'm doing, you just concentrate on what I'm doing, you know. So you just keep on like beating your face around, such that massaging of that skin helps to tighten the sagging skin, you know. So when you keep on holding your face backward, like you're tightening your skin, you're tightening your sagging skin. And you also have to moisturize your neck. This is how my skin looks like. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and